Home assignment English class 8 instructed by Sir Abdul Basit. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hopefully you are doing good. Students, in this video I will be instructing you about the home assignment of week 1. So first of all, you will have to maintain the notebook properly. We will follow the 6th point of day 1 first. In the 6th point you are asked to make the 3 sections of your notebook, which is reading, grammar and writing. Make these sections and then you will follow the first instruction, that you will have to make the title page or cover page of the notebook by writing your name, class and subject. Then you will make the cover page and index pages. In most of the textbook the index pages are already printed, so you will not need any index page. In 3 point, after midterm, design title page of for unit 1. Your unit 1 of your book is Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz. Inshallah you will be doing the exercises of this chapter as well, so you will make the title page. Number 5th point is use black pen for questions and heading and blue pen for the rest of the things. I hope that this point is cleared. In day 2 you are asked to read unit 1, which is an oral exercise, oral activity. You will read the complete chapter thoroughly. You will try to understand and get the chapter as much as you can, and then you will underline few words, at least 15 words from the chapter. You will underline the words in your textbook, and then question number 3 is note down the new words in notebook. In your reading section there is something written in bracket, so must remember the sections. Choose the sections consciously. Reading sections means your section number 1, so you will note down the new words in your notebook in reading section and then search their meaning from dictionary. Then solve question number 1 of unit 1, page number 3, and then question number 4, solve question number in day 4 solve question number 2 of unit 1. Your question number, let me tell you that on page number 3 you will found that your question number 1 is regarding the questions from this chapter. You will have to answer the questions, which are very easy, and then question number 2 is regarding some sentences. The words are being given, you will just have to use these words and make the quality sentences. In day 4 you are asked to solve question number 2 of unit 1 from page number 3. I think I have told you about it. We are on day 5. Solve question number 4a and 4b of unit 1, page 4. So turn the pages and you can see in the next day 4a is exercise regarding the transitional words, and 4b is read the following paragraph and insert transitional words. You will some transitional words are given. You just need to choose the correct transitional one and put them in the blank. What are transitional words? Let me tell you. The short definition of transitional word is those words which are basically used to connect the speeches together, just like firstly, moreover, for instance, nevertheless, however. These are the words which we use to connect or to bridge two speeches together. So use these transitional words and then you will put the correct transitional word in the given exercise of which is exercise 4b. I hope your home assignment is clear. Inshallah, wait for my next video for week 2. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz, and do not forget to subscribe the channel so that you can get the videos on time. Thank you.